Hello everyone, hello, this is Kostas and to this very short video I'm gonna show you what I use to some of my installations, and over here we're gonna see the Free Spirits web services. I'm gonna show you what I use to prevent some bots of trying to buy again and again the same product and keep having failed uh, subscriptions or failed um, attempts to buy or download a plugin. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Let me just um, install the plugin. Okay, I found the plugin. It's the anti-fraud WooCommerce, and I'm gonna show you right away how it's working and how you can easily set up so that you can avoid this kind of problems. Okay, uh, and on that way, any attempts that bots or people that they're trying to manipulate and cause problems to your WooCommerce eShop is gonna be blocked, and you can arrange how much time they're gonna be blocked. Uh, let's just install the plugin, and I'm gonna show you right away. Okay, now if you install this plugin and you go to settings, you see WooCommerce settings, you're gonna find the anti-fraud over here to your settings. That's gonna be added after you install this plugin. And you're gonna see even this notice that it says anti-fraud, select the default protection level here. Here you can have key action needed. You see, you can arrange the card attacks, and you can find some very interesting over here videos about how you can um, edit and arrange everything to the plugin. But I'm gonna show you the main settings. Okay, and over here you can even check. You see, turn on PayPal card attack protection. I'm gonna check it over here. If I'm gonna click here, you're gonna see that I have this enable PayPal card attack protection. It looks like you're using PayPal. When CAPTCHA is enabled, it will be automatically applied as well. Okay, you see, PayPal card attack protection is automatically enabled whenever reCAPTCHA is activated. So rolling windows, enter a number to avoid blocking of legitimate transactions. Time window in seconds to monitor for excessive PayPal attempts. You see, every 5 minutes it can check. Max attempt per window. So people that they're gonna try to pay with a credit card, they're gonna be able to try 5 times. Max attempts per hour. It's gonna be nice to have to try. Maybe it would be nice to try twice, not 5. Okay, you see that it lets for 5 times, but I can do it even for 3. Okay. Enable type, email type that you're gonna get in case you fail. You see, confirm your PayPal email address. Email body. Hi, we have received your order. But to complete, we have to verify your PayPal address. That's something that's a setting from the PayPal. But you see that over here, we have the setting enabled to prevent the PayPal attack via PayPal and Braintree. Okay. Okay, and for further protection, we can come here and we see these settings are specific to PayPal payment gateway. This means when the customer uses their PayPal account for making payment for their orders, then these rules come into action. Select to enable PayPal verification. So on that way, you have to verify that this address is yours, okay? So you have to verify this address, and then prevent digital downloads if verification failed or still processing. And that way, no one is gonna be able to download uh, any file, okay? And they're gonna have troubles to process the payment. Okay, so if you see that this one is great, remember that in fact you are already have this protection because you are using PayPal, okay, and you have the CAPTCHA enabled on checkout. So even here you can enable or disable the PayPal verification. That's optional for if you want extra protection or not. Okay. So let's go here and check some other settings. Let's see the min fraud settings and the min fraud insight settings, just in case. Okay, we can enable max min fraud settings if we use it, but at the moment I don't need it. We can even arrange the email alerts just to get an alert anytime that we have, you see, we have an attack, email notification score, and we can get an email notification, get alerts about suspected fraudulent activities. You see, I can get an email. And additional addresses to notify. We can add some addresses over here. Email notification score. We can just arrange the risk score that meets or exceeds the value will trigger email alerts to your specific email address. It checks all those emails and just block or not the the checkout procedure, because it checks if there is something that is going wrong. Okay, you see high importance, it's the email notification score, and here we see that everything is working normally. Okay. Okay, if we move to the cart attack, we're gonna see that the enable checkout protection is active. Okay, and here we can arrange the order attempts not active. Here you can arrange the too many orders attempts. Okay, allows you to limit numbers of orders per user within the time span configured below. And here it's the hours. You can't try to buy again and again in testing in 1 hour. Maximum allowed number of orders per user in time span. And here in 1 hour, a user can try twice. Okay. Checkout timer delay. The checkout timer delay incrementally increases a timer preventing placing the order every time there is an unused payment attempt. So you fail payment once, you have to wait 10 seconds before placing the order again. Fail twice and you'll be delayed another 20 seconds, and so on. This one we can just check it and be sure that we're not gonna have any kind of those attempts. Payment attempts not active. Okay, here this one is order attempts, payment attempts. This one we're gonna check it too, and the max number of unsuccessful payment attempts per order, it's gonna be we're gonna make it 3. Okay, order between times not active here. Okay, the last setting I'm not gonna enable it. It's about what time and when to finish according a time during the day that I don't want people to try to order anything. Something very important is to go and add the reCAPTCHA over here. You're gonna see that there are over here to cart attacks. There are information how you can do that, and you can easily move to reCAPTCHA page from Google and just get your key and your site key. If you're gonna see here, I got my key and my site key over here already. Okay, I have already added them. So I'm gonna go here to AI fraud prevention here, and I'm gonna show you what else I can do here. You see, I have the enable AI fraud prevention. That's really, really interesting. You can enable this one, and you can select what model is gonna check if this order is being tried to completed by somebody that it's a fraud. AI is gonna try to investigate um, and block the order. So just you have to add your ChatGPT API key over here, and you're gonna be ready to and protected even from this setting. I believe that all those settings are really helpful, and they're gonna prevent your eShop from even from bandwidth usage, because there are many bots out there, and many people that they will try to hurt your reputation and your website. Okay, so that was all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any other questions about this plugin, or you want me to showcase and test and show you another plugin about security, you can or anything else, you can just write your message to the comments, and I will create another video and showcase the plugin that you're interested in. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.